Hello and welcome to 8th grade Math Essentials. My name is Mrs. Trewartha and we've started out semester 2 strong and have already completed unit 7, which is our slope-intercept form equations unit. We're currently working on unit 8, which is systems of equations and statistics. And then coming up next, we have functions. I wanted to talk a little bit about our packet policy. Each unit has 2 packets. We have a notes packet, which is currently printed on colored paper, and then our practice assignment packet is just printed on white copy paper. And in class, we go through one lesson with notes, and then we usually have time to get started on the practice assignment that matches with that lesson. And so the packets are due at the end of the unit on the day that we take our test. And I highly recommend, it's so important for students to learn the material and to practice it before they take the test. And so we just wanted you to be aware of those 2 packets that students should be always working on and hopefully having them completed and ready to turn in by the time we take each of the unit tests. I also wanted to talk about our weekly progress report. I send them out every Friday, and they contain up-to-date grades and also our lesson schedule. And so if you know that your student has missed a day or will miss a day, you'll be able to see what lesson that they can work on at home so that they don't fall behind in math. I wanted to talk also about our math supports. We have Canvas, which is an amazing resource. All of the notes videos can be found on Canvas for each of the lessons. They can also find homework help videos for each of the homework pages. All of our quizzes are found on Canvas, and we have time in class to work on the quizzes, and usually students get those done. But if the student doesn't complete them in school, they are also welcome to complete them at home. And so those quizzes can be done at home. There's also a resources page for each of the units, and any of the class materials, any of the quiz papers, any of the notes packets or practice assignment packets can be printed from home. And so if you find yourself missing any of the materials, or if your student has lost any of the materials, everything can be found on Canvas and printed from home. I also offer as a math support before and after school math help in my classroom. So your student is welcome to come in before school or after school if they need help completing those assignments that they have been given. I welcome it, and I am so happy to help your student before or after school. I want them to be successful. Also, our school offers what's called Guided Studies Math class, and this is a class that takes place during school hours. It's taught by a math teacher named Miss Belknap. And so if your student is consistently struggling with the math material, you can email me. At this point in the semester, it would need approval from me and from their counselor, but your student would have to drop an elective to make space for that class in their schedule, but it would give them an opportunity to get the math help that they need during school hours and from a math teacher. So we wanted to let you know of that option. If you would like to schedule a virtual parent-teacher conference, I will be available on Thursday, February 17th from 4 to 7 p.m. And you can just email me at ctrewartha@alpinedistrict.org.